Is it going to be Manish
Yes.
Sisodia, Raghav Chadda, Atishi? Who do you think would make the cut?
I would say Atishi,
Mhm.
because she's a woman. She's the most experienced, probably, or one of the most experienced, has
Right.
been minister for some time, is educated, is articulate, and is close to both Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia. And above all, a woman who would also have an appeal for what I call the Sheila Dikshit constituency of Delhi. And maybe a card that Kejriwal may play to win over that vote, because he's also now got to appeal to the middle class vote again.
Mm.
Of course, the names of many people are doing the rounds, as you yourself said. But because the women's constituency is now a very important constituency, they have already announced this new scheme for Mahila Samman, where women will get 1,000 rupees per month. And of course, free travel in buses has had traction with women. Of course, the name of his wife, Sunita Kejriwal, is also doing the rounds.
Yeah.
But I would be surprised, because that would, of course, she held the fort in some ways while he was in jail. But I would be surprised, because that would take away from the moral high ground he's trying to occupy at this particular juncture.
Right.
But then strange things happen. So let's see, one wouldn't like to hazard a guess. But it's very interesting that in his speech on Sunday to the AAP meeting, he recalled an instance, and he singled it out and told his audience that when he was in jail, he had written a letter to the Lieutenant Governor suggesting that the Lieutenant LG call Atishi to hoist the national flag
Mhm.
on August 15
Yeah.
in his place.
Right.
Now, Kejriwal is very measured with his words. Why did he choose to give that instance and make public that instance, which is not talked about so far? He said the letter was returned to him in jail undelivered. But
Mm.
again, it was interesting that he should highlight that incident. Whoever is the CM will be CM for only weeks.
Mhm.
And Atishi herself had said, whoever becomes the CM will follow the policies of AAP and will work for the people, and will be able to take certain steps
Mhm.
in terms of policy announcements before they go in for election. Though Kejriwal has called for elections to be held along with the elections in Maharashtra, which are expected to be announced at around November 8th.
Right.
No, October 8th, sorry. And
So
they will be held mid-November as things go at the moment, as the feedback is coming.